Experience the acting you're in the moment and experience. Dito dito kay Bayasan. We have a foul. Foul number 5, that is Baliguat. First personal foul Baliguat, and first team foul for the third quarter of Unidos. Boy, cheers, Unidos. Ay, nahuli. Basi. Oh, good time. Ay! Basket time. 41-37, lamang na ngayon ang Agustin. 4 lamang. Bibigyan kay Kipan, and we have a trouble violation. 9 minutes and 11 seconds to main time. Tuesday Pataleta, bibigay sa kita, Dalisa. 10 seconds shot clock. Bibigay kay Bastian Pemban. 8 minutes and 45 seconds to main time. There it is. Tudoro 14. There's Scandalata Boards. Tapor. We have foul number 11, Dalisa. Hitting the arm is the nature of foul. First personal foul, Dalisa, and also the first team foul, Dalisa. 2 free throws, Tapor. Okay, there's a basket. Basket. 43-39. Apat ang kalabangan ng Agustin. First down, Calculeta. 14-second shot clock. Bastian. Chucha. And we need a foul. Here is now Tapor again. 14 seconds to shoot. But it went from hard. That is 3 points. I'll take that 3 bucks. Here is now 45-42. Tapos na lang. Here is Bastian. Bibigay kay Camileta. 7-second shot clock. Layasan for 3. Tudor. Tapor. 14-second shot clock. Unidos. Tapor against Canduleta. There's a blocking foul. Number 18. Second. First personal foul and second team fouls. Chance again of Unidos. 14 seconds to shoot. There it is. Bola na yan this time. There's Manika. 3 points. Manika. Here's the second Tapor. Tugunta, bibigyan kay Chidoro. Chidoro, bibigyan! Hindi naka-alert si Layasan. Chance! Tapor, there's Tapor. Oh. Foul number 11, Dalisa. Second personal foul, Dalisa, and 3 team fouls of Agustin. Down to 14 seconds shot clock. Tampor ang maglalabas ng ball. 2, there's Monchada. Good time. And Pempang. After the number 44, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. It's your waiting time. Here is now Candoleta, Tula Yasan, 14 seconds to shoot. Basta Candoleta, libre, wala, rebounding. Chidoro to Tampor, chance on Heroes, Tampor. Basket from Bastion. 15-44, balik ko naman sa anim ang laban na nag-start sa ating third quarter. There is now Jumbo Singbo ayon sa ating araw. 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Personnel. Tira tres. Ito, chance na gusto. Layasan. Chup-chup. Wow! Ang galing. Nilayasan. 52-44. Here is again Chundoro. 14-second shot clock to Tampor 3. 3 points, Tampor. 5 naman na nagustuhan. Here is Layasan to begin Malika. 10-second shot clock. Layasan, last ball, 5 seconds. Layasan for 3. Nakuha pa niya Layasan. Manila for 3. Tumitawag on Nido. Submission, 3 minutes and 49, 55-47 is our score. That is 8 points. Kepada poin itu Pegawai Francis Baraka melalui sesama experience connected to wherever moment and experience. That message from Balakaw LGBT. Watch out sa search for Chusa Panaytayo. Chusa. Tolosa, 10 seconds to shoot. Nagawa ni Guntan. Guntan to Tampor for there is Bastion to De La Cruz. Layasan. Tolosa. De La Cruz. We are offensive foul number 12. Pushing foul. Monchada. That is your first personal foul. Hindi pumasok ang free throw ni Mr. De La Cruz. There's the magandang 14 second shot clock. Chidoro. Chidoro now to Tampor. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Chidoro magandang ng buwan ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Ay, Monchada. With a foul from De La Cruz. First personal foul, jersey number 9, De La Cruz, and a warning for penalty, Nagusta. Here's the again Chidoro. 14 second shot clock, good time to Tampor. Monchada. Bagan. Bastion to Monica. Pempang. Okay, only 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Ah, chance not to 40. To Doro. Mm. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Balik dua, kinalit naman na si Tom 4. There is now back to the game. Tolosa. Wala, we got a good time. Go, push. Sabay-sabay mga people. That's it. 61:47. 1 minute remaining time. Good time. Oh, maalat ang basket kay Guntan. 50 seconds remaining time, De La Cruz. 40 seconds shot clock. Tambay. 10 seconds. Basket na naman si Bastian. 63:47, medyo malaki na kanya ang ilang mga nag-stand sa Unidos. And the time remaining is only 24 seconds. Double shot clock. 22 seconds. Ball ni Sebastian. Reserve for the fourth quarter. Here is now De La Cruz. 40 seconds remaining time. Last 10 seconds. Rebound, De La Cruz. 4 seconds. Counted. Score now is already 65-47. Bawi kayo, Unidos. Malos Unidos sa fourth quarter.